guys, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. You all know that we love to dine out. Kids really love food and their favorite is sushi. So we often take them to Kinjo Sushi. They have different locations here in Calgary and there is always so many options to choose from here. You can start with an appetizer like spring rolls or dumplings and try out different kinds of sushi. They have lots of options. And this place is always busy. Their dumplings are pretty good. They also have different kinds of noodles, fried rice. And the prices vary from $3 to $5 to big rolls like this will cost like $10 to $12. Vegetarians and vegans can also enjoy their fruit rolls. This one is filled with yam, avocado, topped with avocado and strawberries, and of course their seafood is good, shrimp here, and this one costs about $10 as well. So if you're thinking where to go and have sushi while visiting or living in Calgary, Kinjo Sushi is a must-try place because they have lots of options for everyone in the family. Their service is quick and efficient, prices are reasonable, food is fresh, so place worth checking out. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Do keep watching our videos because we will bring around many more exciting adventures. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.